Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. Let us discuss about string methods, friends. So, string methods. Let us see one by one. Uh, if you want to know the length of the string, then you can make use of length property. Okay, like this. Uh, Here, let us take a VS Code and see it parallelly. Take a new file that is called string strings dot js. Okay, let us close this explorer. So now we are in strings dot js. Okay, uh, okay, where name is equal to say some Sriram or any name you like, no problem. And if you want to know the length of your string, that means how many characters are there in your string, then you can use of name dot length property. Name dot length property. So you need to output this con particular output, right? So for that you need to place that inside the console.log command. So name dot length, how much of length this string is having. Okay, let's clear the output. Dot is appearing. So now it is unsaved file. So unsaved file, this dot will appear, friends. You need to save it. I am pressing Ctrl S. Now dot was gone. That means now this file was saved, right? Okay. Now you can execute what node strings dot js. You can see the string length is 6 because SRI 3 RAM 3. Total 6 is there. Okay, say some Veera Raghava. Now I am intentionally giving space and I had saved it. Now you can see the name length is 13. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space also included. Okay, to demonstrate the space, for this I intentionally given the space also, friends. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, total 13 including the space. Okay, right. So this white space is also it counts as a length, friends, right? And then coming to the next, moving forward, index of this method returns the index of, that means the position of first occurrence of specified text in a string. That means it's simple, friends. So if you has some string like this, hello, how are you, I am fine. Okay, if you want to know any word location, then you can make use of index of method, and in the parenthesis you can give the desired word. Then what it will give is it will return the position, that means index position where this u is located. Okay, let us see. Say some text I am taking, the same example I am taking. Hello, how are you, I am fine, right? Okay, now text dot, what method we have to use? Index of. Okay, index of, in this string what word you need. Okay, so you, let us give you. Okay, save that, clear the output, execute. So the position is 12, that means the u is located at position 12. Let's count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 12th 12 positions after it is there. Okay, like that. So if you give how how save, re-executed, now it is 6. So how is located at 6? Okay, let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so after 6 it is there. Okay, and next moving forward, slice means very much useful, friends. It extracts part of string and returns the extracted part in a new string. Okay, so if you want to extract some part in this whole string, then the slice method will be useful. So it is starting index, it is ending index. Let us do it. Instead of here text dot slice, so text is the variable which is having the string, friends. On the string we are using the methods, so we need to use start. So if I want how are you that thing, then I have to give the starting index of how and the ending index of you. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, let us see, 6 comma 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, let us say 15, not 15 16, because it will always decrement the last index by 1. Let's save it, clear, execute it. Here you can how are you, the only this subportion I sliced. Okay, I sliced it, right? So for this use, slice is very much useful. And not only this, you can uh, give minus minus also. Okay, minus indexes also, that means it will go to the last and then it will move from last. Okay, negative means it go from reverse, it will do. Let us save it and execute it. Here you can see ne, only ne came, that means it gone to the last and it will take only 2. From last it will take 2 characters. If I give 5 and save and executed, now you can see fine 1 2 3 4, that means 5 minus uh, 5 will come, right? So that means space is also come. Okay, we didn't see some space is there here, right? Like that. And then next, substring. So it is similar to slice, but substring does not accept negative indexes. You can also perform the same task with substring method also. Okay, like this, initial index and the final index, like that. But the substring method doesn't accept the negative indexes like splice. That is the only difference, friends. So how are you, right? 6 comma 16 saved. Let me clear it now. Here you can see with the substring method also I am able to do the same functionality, but negative index it won't accept. I'm saving, perform it. So here it is not total string is going to print, so that is not what we want. So that is about substring. And then string methods of replace, very very useful method, friends. Replace method, that is used to replace any part of text with a new part, like find and replace, like that. So if you want to replace fine with good, then we'll make use of what, text dot. So this is the text, remember, on this text which is string method we are using the readily available methods, friends. Dot means we are applying methods on this string. Okay, so text means what, text is a variable name which consists of a string inside, right? Then replace, replace what? So replace what? Fine, fine. So I need to replace with good, good. Okay. Then save it, clear. Here you can see now. Hello, how are you? I am good. So in the place of fine, I had replaced that particular word with good. So this is the replace functionality. So dot replace method. You can see the color changed. That is replace method. Okay, IDE is displaying it. Okay, to uppercase. Uh, I'm, so let me comment it out. To uppercase means console dot log text dot to lowercase uppercase, two are there. Let us see uppercase first. So it is self-explanatory. To uppercase means whatever string we had given to it, it will make it as uppercase. So let us save this file and execute it. Now you can say hello, how are you? I am fine. All are capital letters, but the original text is this one only. Okay, and then the same will be used for demonstrating lowercase also. Lowercase, I am saving, I am executing. Now you can see all are turned to the lowercase, right? Okay, and then now concatenating is the name itself refers indicates that it will join two strings together, friends. Okay, let us one text is having text 1. Okay, I am taking text 1 as say hello, and where text 2 is equal to the hello world culture. Okay, and then if you need to join these two, okay, actually these two variables are separate. If you make to join these two, then you can go for text1 dot concat of text2. Okay, store it in some result. So we can do all these things in the console dot log itself, but it is somewhat cumbersome. That's why I am storing the result of this bit of code in some result. Okay, so let us clear the output before seeing the result, so that it will be clear to you, our eyes. Here you can see now the two variables data has merged together and came as a single string. Okay, two separate strings are joined together, right? So that is the use of concat method, friends. So it will be also possible using string concatenation with plus operator. Okay, so in the earlier classes we saw this. Let us, I am just giving text 1 plus text 2. Okay, I am using plus operator. The text 1 is string, the text 2 is string, consists of string. So I am using plus operator. So if it is both belongs to numbers, then the addition will perform. If both belongs to string, then string concatenation will be the result. Saved. Here you can see the same output is coming, right? Okay, for demo purposes, let me give two. So this is text is hello, that means string, plus the other operand is the numeric type. Let us see what output will come. Here you can see hello 2. Okay, right? So let us see type of, that means type of this type of result. What here it has typecasted all these bit of code to string, even though text 1 is string and text I mean operand 2 is uh, numeric data type, operand 1 is string data type. If you use plus operator in between those two, the both will combined and formed as a string friends. Let us use multiplication. What will happen? Okay, okay, let us clear it, execute it. Here you can see none is the result. None means not a number, so it is not acceptable. But in Python, it is string repetition operator. Okay, so if you give like this, 2 times hello will be printed. But in JavaScript, it is not allowed. Okay, so these are the string method, friends, and here some more string methods are there. Let's discuss. Trim method. Trim method means it removes the white spaces, okay, around a string, friends. Let us see it. Where some text you are having, but it is having some spaces. Some says apple, okay, so it is having some spaces around like this. So if you want to remove these additional spaces from in the front of the word and in the next trailing spaces and leading spaces, it is called. So if you want to do it, then you can do text dot trim. Just if you call this function, then everything will be replaced. Just console dot log. Okay, now let us save the file, clear the output node. Here you can see now simple apple will came, so it removed the leading spaces and the trailing spaces. Okay, next, so string subscript. So in order to access the string each character, you can use subscript of the string like this. If you want to access the first letter, then you can do like this, text square brackets 0, then only C will be accessed like that, friends. Let us do it. Say here, say coffee. If you have something like this, now you want to access the C only. So the string is also a sequence, friends. So it will start with index 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3 like that. If you access like this is called subscripting. Okay, and save it, execute it. Here you can see only C came, and then if you want only 3, that means third index. Now execute it. Here F, only F will come, 0 1 2 3. 3 is F. Let us give 4. Let us execute it again. Here E came. So whether slicing is possible like in Python? Okay, it is not, because here you can see it is not taking. In JavaScript it is not there. Okay, only subscript is there, friends. Okay, and then split is used to convert a string to an array. Very important method, friend, very useful. If you have string like this, okay, it will be converted to an array form. Let us take uh, suppose a coffee, and then tea, and then what, green tea, um, and then what, juice. So if you have a string like this, properly see, it is a string. I am not placing any square brackets at the end or object like flower brackets. It's a purely a string, whatever it may contain in the middle. Okay. So if you want to convert this string into an array, then you can make use of dot split. Split. That means it will split with an separator which we give to it. So if you give by default, it will take comma. Let us clear. I have saved the document. Here you can see it was converted into string now. You can see the square brackets came. Okay, right. So if that is the usage, friends. If we want, you can give the separator as spaces like this. Okay, like this, or pipes like this, like that. Whichever separator you need to split, then that separator you need to provide in the parentheses. Okay, so if you didn't specify anything, by default it will take comma. Okay, friends, this is about string methods. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about what array methods, friends. Till then, bye bye. It was Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.